Founded in 1993, LS2 has grown into a one-stop integrated facilities management provider, serving both the public and private sectors.
That is right. From schools to airports, our 2,000-strong workforce has been trusted to keep Singapore clean and safe. We have continued to evolve with every milestone, staying committed to service excellence.
Hi, Arvin, for your signature.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have expertise and many years of experience in operations, but lack sustainability skill sets from design to effective implementation.
To address this gap, LS2 embarked on strategic reskilling for its senior leaders in finance, sales, and marketing, who took on expanded responsibilities to include sustainability leadership.
We've worked with WSG to tap on the Career Conversion Program for Sustainability Professionals to reskill our workforce and build new capabilities in environmental, social, governance, policy, alignment, and reporting.
For me, it gave new perspectives on how sales and marketing can drive sustainability goals. It is not only about promoting the company, but also about creating value propositions that resonate with sustainability-conscious customers.
With these enhanced skills, LS2 strengthened its ability to collect data, set clear goals, and ensure regulatory compliance, making sustainability adoption a business imperative.
It changed the way we think. Today, sustainability is embedded in our risk management strategy. For example, we are currently piloting an IoT water flow meter to effectively measure and monitor water consumption together with electrical usage in real time.
Technology and innovation are also core enablers of this transformation. With the support of NEA, in June 2024, LS2, together with Temasek Polytechnic, Environmental Management Association of Singapore, and industry partners, launched the Envirotech Innovation Hub. This Innovation Hub serves as a pioneering living laboratory to co-create and test-bed new technologies to develop advanced solutions for sustainable environmental cleaning and integrated facilities management.
Reinventing operational processes through technology adoption and reskilling are critical to meet sustainability goals and targets. One example is the automated tray return system at Temasek Polytechnic that boosted productivity in crockery sorting and food waste segregation. This is just one example of how technology, paired with process redesign and reskilling, makes work more efficient and sustainable. With the support of WSG, we have future-proofed our key roles and harnessed technologies to drive meaningful impact. This is our first step towards shaping a thriving and sustainable future.
Ready to create your own reskilling chapter? Contact WSG today.